Welcome to Ink Study with Uday. Before getting into today's topic, I have some tasks for you. Here I have given some examples which you have to mention which one is right and which one is wrong. Today we are going to learn the use of adjectives. Adjectives are used in attributive way and predicative way. When they are placed close to and before the noun which they qualify, it is attributive. And when they express what is declared of some person or thing and come after the verb, it is predicative. Attributive adjective is when the adjective comes right before the noun, and the predicative adjective is when the adjective comes right after the verb, that is predicative. Okay, for example, he is a good boy. Good over here is the adjective which comes right before the noun boy. Boy over here is a noun. And the second example is Mem is an angry girl. Angry is the adjective which comes right before the girl. The girl over here is the noun. In the predicative use of adjectives, we can take these two examples for our understanding. The boy is good. Good over here is the adjective which is used in a predicative way because adjective comes after the verb. Is over here is the verb, and right after it the adjective good comes. In question number 2 or example 2, she is angry. Angry is the adjective which is placed right after the verb is. Okay. To note, most of the adjectives can be used both attributive and predicative way, but there are some exceptions. Okay, now look at the exceptions. There are a few adjectives that can be used only attributively, such as former, olden, main, complete, utter, indoor, etc. Again, there are a few adjectives which can be used only predicatively, such as asleep, awake, alone, afraid, alike, aloof, alive, ashamed, ever, content, ill, well, unwell, fine, pleased, fond, glad, sorry, upset, etc. Let's look at the examples. He is a former teacher of this school. Former over here is the adjective which is used in a attributive way. How? Because it comes right before teacher. Teacher is the noun, so it is used attributive way. Okay, in example number 2, this practice prevailed in olden times. Olden is the adjective which comes right before times. Times over here is the noun, so olden is used as attributive way. In these examples, he is alone. Alone over here is the adjective which comes right after the verb is, so it is used in a predicative way. In example number 2, she is asleep. Asleep is the adjective which comes right after the verb is, so asleep is used in this sentence as predicative. Okay, now I think by now you have already got the answers of these sentences, which one is right and which one is wrong. Okay, let's see. The first sentence, he is an ill man. Ill is the adjective, man is the noun which the adjective is trying to qualify. So ill over here has been used attributively, which is completely wrong, because earlier we have learned that ill is the adjective which can only be used predicatively. Rather, we can pick up this sentence, the man is ill. Here ill has been used predicatively because it comes right after the verb is. So this sentence is right and this sentence is wrong. Okay, in the next sentence, the children are having utter delight. Utter is the adjective and delight is the noun which it tries to qualify. And as we have already known that uttered is the adjective which can only be used attributively, so this sentence is right. In the next sentence, the children's delight is utter. Here utter is the adjective and it comes right after the verb is. Okay, and it tries to qualify this noun. So in this sentence utter has been used predicatively, and we have already known that we can't use utter as predicatively, so this sentence is wrong. In the next sentence, he is ashamed of himself. Ashamed is the adjective, and as we have already learned that ashamed can only be used predicatively, so it comes just right after the verb, so this sentence is also right. So this is the end of this whole topic. Thank you all.